Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for joining in today's webinar, where we'll be talking about advanced features of MISUMI's web ordering system. My name is Rupali Sharma, and I'll be your host for this session. Let's wait for others to join quickly, and then we'll start this session.
India is striding towards a future of innovation and industrial excellence, rapidly becoming one of the fastest growing economies in the world. In this transformative journey, MISUMI emerges as a committed partner, aligning its global resources to fuel India's growth and innovation. Founded on the principles of integrity and innovation, MISUMI has been a pivotal part of India's growth story, contributing to the nation's industrial landscape for over a decade. From our headquarters in Gurgaon to the expansion across Bengaluru and Pune, our journey is a testament to belief in India's potential and our commitment to nurturing its industrial capabilities.
So MISUMI is expanding the business platform such as sales and logistics also. We are expanding this economy series in pan-India.
MISUMI has a wide product range, up to 60 lakh products, and we have 3,000 brands associated with us. We have catered all the need of the customer.
Our company say, your time is our priority.
So we have a dedicated logistic team who can provide the pan-India deliveries with the proper solution to our customers.
We offer same-day dispatch service to customer with presence of 3 warehouses all over the India, maintaining 99.9% on-time ratio.
At the heart of our operations lies our products. Designed with precision, these components embody our dedication to quality and affordability, supporting India's dynamic sectors like factory automation and die molding. Our teams blend international expertise with local insights, ensuring solutions are tailored to the unique needs of the Indian market. Our commitment is encapsulated in our QCT model: quality, cost, and time. We never compromise on quality while ensuring cost efficiency and respecting the value of your time. Leading the digital revolution with over 60% of transactions online, our e-commerce platform offers transparency and convenience, making it easy for businesses to access what they need when they need it.
At MISUMI, we take pride in valuing our customers by offering comprehensive support in areas such as registration, logistics, technical assistance, and product claim. So we are committed to ensuring their experience with us is smooth and efficient at every step.
At MISUMI, our dedication to excellence and customer service defines us. We're committed to empowering businesses across India with our innovative solutions and unwavering support, today and into the future.
That was our corporate video. I hope you all liked it. Again, I would like to welcome everybody who has recently joined, and we are delighted to have you with us. So let's quickly start this webinar. This webinar is about the advanced features of our web ordering system, also known as WOS. So MISUMI's web ordering system helps you place order with ease. It basically simplifies your procurement process. But in this webinar, we'll be talking about our web ordering system, but in detail. So we'll be covering a bit about MISUMI, what MISUMI is exactly, how to select product code using e-catalog, part number checker, how to generate QT and SO for multiple part codes using an Excel sheet, unfit part code error. So as I was saying, that in this webinar, we'll be covering things like MISUMI's introduction, how to select product code using e-catalog, part number checker, how to generate QT and SO for multiple part codes using an Excel sheet, unfit part code error, how to download PDF for QT and SO, CAD download. And then we'll wrap up this webinar following a Q&A session at the end. So I would request everybody, whosoever has any sort of question, feel free to drop it in the chat box. We will take it at the end, and you can raise question in between the seminar also, but in the chat box. We'll answer all your questions at the end. So let's begin. What is MISUMI? For all those who are new here, who aren't really aware about MISUMI, I would like to introduce MISUMI to you. So MISUMI is not just a manufacturer. MISUMI is not just a distributor, or we aren't just an e-commerce platform. We are all three. A manufacturer with factory automation parts and press and mold parts, a distributor with over 3,000 brands, and an EC platform with one-stop shop for 6 million components. That is MISUMI. And MISUMI also offers MISUMI has 5 sales offices pan-India, Gurgaon, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Pune, and Bangalore, with 3 warehouses catering to major industrial hubs. So this webinar is about the advanced features of our web ordering system. Basically, our web ordering system is a platform that helps you procure items, procure industrial components with utmost ease. But that's not just it. The web ordering system offers a lot of benefits, like you can check your part number availability, then you can place online QT and SO, track shipment in our WOS, check order, quote history, design support, order approval rights, check prices and delivery time online, search and configure components online. You see, our one platform offers you so many benefits because, as we always say, for MISUMI, your time is our priority. Now, I would like to introduce our speaker for this session, Mr. Veera Kumar, who will be taking you forward and he'll be enlightening you about the features of MISUMI's web ordering system. Over to you, Veera-san.
Thank you so much, Rupali. Thank you so much, Rupali-san, for the brief information regarding the WOS. And I like to share my screen first. My screen is visible now. Okay, thank you. So once you done the registration, you'll get the login credential. With that, you have to log in it. Once you're logged in, you will be seeing the home page of this website. And we were discussing about 6 million components. You can see in left-hand side the category of all the related factory automation components, present die mold components, and electrical items as well. So if you go and check related to automation components, you can see all categories related to the automation components, the connecting parts. You can say rotary motion, vacuum components. These all are the items you can see. Based on your requirement regarding the part code checker, you can simply type the name of the item. Like if you type like coil spring, related to the coil spring, you can see all ranges. You can see the ranges of all coil springs. So before go ahead, I'll tell you the benefit of the economist series. we have a two type of components like standard components and economy series. So economy series we have launched recently with the price effective. You can save up to 40 to 50% comparatively standard components. You can select. You can see the all categories with the save up to 65%. So we have a different categories along with the discount as well. Simply you can go ahead and select any one of the item. How to select the correct part code related to this part. If you can see, this is the coil spring, economic coil spring. It is clearly mentioned. This is the logo. You can see this is the economic coil spring. So related to this part, particularly, you can see 190 part numbers available, right? This is the starting range. You can say consider 54 rupees per unit. So for making correct part code, you need the specification correctly. In left hand side, you can see the specification dimension. For this, making correct part code, we need to enter the dimension correctly. Then only you will be able to, generate a correct part code. Let's suppose I'll select 17 outer dia with the length of 40 and allowable deflection. Let's select 15 and maximum load is 294.2. You can see simply you can make a part code. As I selected 17 is the diameter and the length is 40. You can see the price 91 rupees per price. So we have availability quantity. You can also check this information here itself, and day to ship is same day. So one important benefit while placing order in MISUMI also, you can place this all stock item before 2 o'clock. So if you place this order through online or maybe through sending PO before 2 o'clock, we can book this order for all stock item. We will dispatch in the same day. That is one benefit. With the benefit of free shipping through ground mode, you can see the if you want to there may be quantity. If you increase the quantity, maybe you can get more discount at times, right? So I'll tell you few more important things regarding this item. You can see the configure specification correctly. So if you are okay, like the requirement of it is matching with your requirement, you can see the specification correctly. You can see the drawing also, and you can relate it to this particular part. What are the size we have? You can see here also. These all are size we have, the availability of particular this part. And if you want to place this order, just click on add to contact. My system is little slow. I'll just quickly. Okay. Once you click on add to cart, simply click on like few information you have to be clicking. Ship complete. Simply click on quote. After selecting the part code, just selecting on view cart. Only it will take few steps to complete the quotation and completing the order. Now you can see the part code along with the quantity, along with the price. Day to ship is 1 day, clearly mentioned in the yellow color. It's a stock item. So before completing the quotation, you can read once. Tax shows GST on freight amount only. GST on product is excluded and will be shown in the invoice. Let's suppose once you complete this quotation will be completed like this, and the quotation number will be generated like this. And if you are okay with this quotation, simply go ahead and convert to order. So it will ask the PO reference number. You can mention. You can go ahead and again click on next. Again, you can maybe ship complete, ship partial. I'll take you for the multiple part codes how to select ship complete and ship partial. What is the difference between ship complete and ship partial? This is only one item, so I'm just selecting ship complete. Click on next. And if you are okay with this everything, just click on I agree and place an order. That's it. So once you click on place order, automatically the message will be pop up in front of you. Order will be proceed after receipt of payment. So we will sending within 1 hour. Maybe you will receive the performer invoice. On that performer invoice, you will be seeing one link. You can click that link and make the payment and share the details on the same email ID. Basis on that, we will process your order same day. And before going on the next task, I would like to Rupali-san to take one more poll.
Thank you so much, Veera-san. So before moving ahead with our next section, that is how to generate QT and SO, I would request everybody to please engage in with the poll. You might be able to see it on your screen. If not, you can go to chat box. There also you can find the poll. Kindly respond. This will help us understand your experience with our web ordering system. Are you aware that you can create quotation directly on the MISUMI web ordering system? Are you aware that you can create quotation directly on the MISUMI web ordering system? I would request everybody to please answer. Okay, so we have the results, and I feel very glad to say that 100% of our audience are aware about this thing. Now let's move ahead, and I would again hand it over to Veera-san, who will be talking about how to generate QT and SO for multiple part codes. Over to you, Veera-san.
Thank you so much, Rupali-san. Let me share my screen again. My screen is visible. Okay, thank you. So again, once you logged in on the website, if you have the Excel like this, in one column you can mention the part code, and the other one you can mention the quantity. Simply go ahead and click on this option, code/order. Click on quote again. The quotation page will be open like this. So mention the PO reference number. Can you see this option, copy and paste from Excel? Just click on this. Just paste it simply. Click on next. Again next. Automatically get pasted like this. Just click on next. Okay. Now you can see there are two errors you can say. So this particular part has 3 brands. So if you are okay, you can select any one of them. So in this case, I'll deselect the third one. Let's suppose. Now this is okay. Now this case. So if you can see the changes. So all 4 items I have selected one quantity. Let's suppose you have a big quantity like 300 for this particular part. You can see the error. Please ask MISUMI to check the ship date for this quantity. So date is not showing here. If you can see rest of this, you can see the dates. Simply click on this checkbox and click on next. Just a second. Okay. So again, you can see this. Please ask the same, the message will be pop up in front of you. As per your request, MISUMI customer service will check this record to find a solution for you. So once you complete this quotation, again you can see 5 out of 5 items, 1 item pending. It is showing. So the items MISUMI is now checking. Once it is completed, will contact you by email. So for 300 quantity, we will customer support team will be check from the supplier for how long it will take to complete that 300 quantity from their end. So they will, calculate it, and they will, refer one date with us, and we will, check with the customer. If customer is okay, then we will share the quotation along with the whatever the referred date by, supplier. Same way, you can convert this order into SO also. So once you convert this order into SO, date again, the, completed by our supplier, we will discuss with customer again through email, or then customer is okay, then we can complete this order also. Then the rest, the balance thing will be, educated by Subrasan. I would like to take it further. And before go ahead, I would like to take one more small poll by, Rupali-san. Please go ahead.
Thank you, Veera-san, again. So we have another poll. And again, I would request everybody to please engage in with the poll. So the question is, are you currently using MISUMI's web ordering systems to source products? Interesting. Are you currently using MISUMI's web ordering system to source products? Yes, no. Maybe you're using some other brand's web ordering system or apps. Kindly respond. Yeah. So we have the results, and 91% of people are using MISUMI's web ordering system, but 9% aren't. So maybe by the end of this webinar, you will be in favor of MISUMI's web ordering system. Now let's quickly go ahead, and now I'll hand it over to Shubhra-san.
Thank you, Rupali. Thank you, Rupali. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining MISUMI Web Ordering System Webinar 2.0. And wow, Veera-san, how easy it is to place order for multiple part codes from MISUMI Web Ordering System, or even to take quotation. Just in 1 minute, we can take quotation for multiple part codes. And we don't have to wait for our sales team or customer service team to respond on email. We can take the quotation or place order from anywhere, anytime. Now, once an order is placed or we have taken quotation on MISUMI website, we need to download the quotation PDF file or need the sales order confirmation. Simply, we need to log in on MISUMI website, click on the quote or order button. We can go, if we need to download the quotation PDF, we will click on quote history. So a page will reflect like this. If I want to see the quotation created by my user ID, I will select that selected user only. However, if I want to see the quotation created by all the people in my company from the different login IDs, I will click on all user, click on search button. So after clicking on all user, it will show me the quotation of all the users who have created on MISUMI website. Now, if I want to download the PDF of quotation number this, we can simply click on the PDF option. And you can see the quotation PDF is open. You can download and save this file in your system. The quotation will reflect the part number, the prices, the quantity, and the lead time. Similarly, we can download the PDF of sales order also. Now, sometimes we can see in our screen also that some of the quotation are showing completed. However, some are showing pending. What does pending mean? Sometimes there are certain items in the quotation which lead time we are not sure about the lead time. We need the confirmation from our supplier also for the lead time of certain items. So that will show pending. If I will print this PDF, I can see that line item 1 to 4, the lead time is showing. However, line item 5, the lead time is not coming. So which means this item are made to item order, which are not in stock in MISUMI currently. However, we need the confirmation for the lead time from our supplier. Once MISUMI supplier will confirm when they can provide this particular item, this quotation will change and every item will show the lead time here. In similar manner, we can download the sales order confirmation from MISUMI website. We will click on order history. Select all users, search, and we can see. Now, if I want to see the download a sales order confirmation for order number this, I will click on this PDF button and I can see the sales order information. This is a simple manner how we can download the quotation PDF as well as the sales order confirmation. And as Veera-san told that MISUMI provides free delivery pan-India via road, and we can dispatch stock items same day also. So from MISUMI website, you can just not only place order or download the quotation, you can also download the CAT files. And yes, that is also free of cost. So we have more than 6 million of products with us. As per your requirement, you can search the products. Now, for example, I have a part number and for which I need to download the CAT file. I will type the product name in the search button, click on the search option. Here the product's details will show. I will click on this part number. The product details will reflect on the website. Yes, you can download the CAT file in 2D and 3D version. We have different version of the CAT files. Based on your software, you can download the version of the CAT file and based on your file format. So you simply need to click on the button CAT download. Based on the file format and the version you required, you can generate the CAT. By clicking on generate button, the file will be downloaded in your desktop or in your systems, and you can open this file. I will request Rupali to please take the session further.
Thank you so much, Shubhra-san. So that was about the advanced features of our web ordering system. Now let's quickly go to our Q&A session. So if you're having any sort of questions related to our web ordering system or anything related to MISUMI, you can just drop it in the chat box and we'll be happy to answer. We already have a few questions and you can also raise your hands if required. You can raise your hands and ask the questions directly. We already had a few questions and we have answered those questions in the chat box itself. But now you can raise your hands. So Mr. Sandeep Chaturvedi has raised hand. Okay, so kindly just hold on for a second. And then you can ask your question. You can unmute yourself and you can ask a question. Okay, you have dropped it in the chat box.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर, ये है कि अभी हम बहुत लगभग 5-6 साल से यूज कर रहे हैं पोर्टल को. अभी पहले तो स्मूथली यूज कर पाते थे और जो डिस्काउंट वगैरह था वो भी प्रॉपर शो करता था. उसमें हमारे जो भी है गुड़गांव की टीम की तरफ से ना हमारे डिस्काउंट वगैरह फ्रीज कर दिए गए थे. बट पीछे 2 से 3 महीने पहले ये डिस्काउंट रेट अपने आप गायब हो गए और अभी बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स जा रही है कोटेशन डाउनलोड करने में. और उनमें क्या कोटेशन में प्राइस शो करता है, डिस्काउंट शो नहीं करता. ये सारी चीजें फेस कर रहे हैं अभी 2 से 3 महीने से.
सर आपकी कंपनी का नाम बता सकते हैं क्या?
यस
जी
सर आप रिपीट करिएगा, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। यस, बेलराइज इंडस्ट्रीज लिमिटेड।
सर इस केस में आपके जो कंसर्न पीआईसी हैं, आपने उनसे बात करी थी इसके रिगार्डिंग, जो आपसे डील करते हैं नॉर्मली?
हाँ, हमारे यहाँ पे बात चल रही है, मिस्टर सौरभ जी हैं जो देखते हैं हमारे इधर पे, और एक और कौन है अभी? हाँ? प्रकाश सैनी जी हैं करके, वो भी देख रहे हैं। बट उन्होंने बोला था भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही है जिस वजह से डिस्काउंटेड हटा दिए गए पोर्टल से, वो जल्दी होंगे।
आइटम्स के लिए रिवाइज किया हुआ है, वो आपको अपडेट दे देंगे। मैं उनको एक बार बोल दूंगा कि आपको कांटेक्ट कर लेंगे रिलेटेड टू दिस।
बेसिकली मेरी कुकरेजा जी से बात चलती है ज्यादातर।
हाँ जी सर, मैं एक बार इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगा सर, वो आपको अपडेट कर देंगे रिलेटेड टू डिस्काउंट।
अभी करंट में क्या है, जो भी डिस्काउंटेड थे हमारे फ्रीज हो रखे थे, हमारी ऑर्डरिंग प्रॉपर चलती थी। अभी वो पीछे 2 साल से डिसकंटिन्यू हो रखी है क्योंकि डिस्काउंट मीट नहीं हो पा रहा है और ऑर्डरिंग जो है तो लूज हो रही है कंटिन्यूसली।
सर इससे रिलेटेड मैं आपको एक बार उनको बोल दूंगा, इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगा, आपको एक बार पर्सनली कॉल कर लेंगे, तो आपका इसका सोल्यूशन दे देंगे सर।
ओके जी, ओके,
थैंक यू।
और एक और क्वालिटी इशू इज द मस्ट, ये बहुत तगड़ा है गैस स्प्रिंग में खास तौर से।
ओके सर, इसके रिलेटेड अगर है, अगर आप प्लीज एक बार उसको अटैच करके मेल डाल दीजिएगा। अगर कुछ भी डिफेक्टिव या अगर आपको लगता है इसके रिलेटेड है या क्वालिटी इशू है, आप एक बार उसको अटैच करके एक मेल डाल दीजिएगा। जो कंसर्न पीआईसी है वो आपको जो भी फॉर्मेलिटी होंगी वो पूरी करके आपको रिवर्ट कर देंगे सर।
ओके ओके,
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Our next question is, MISUMI have mobile app for ordering or not?
At present, we don't have the mobile app. We are actually currently, it is under discussion now. So once it is, we are on the inline, then we will update you further.
Okay, so the next question is, I would like to download the complete set of MISUMI screws, such as CSP and CSBS type, and create a library for easy design. How can I download them correctly?
Sir, I would like to say that you can drop an email to our, CS team, cs@misumi.co.in. So they will share, they will, connect with the technical team. They will send you the, details. You need the CAD data download or what, sir? Just want to know. Okay, for this information, you can drop an email to CS, sir. They will, connect with the technical team and they will share you the format, the pending work. I mean, the reply on the same.
Okay, so the next question is, how to approach the concerned PIC if I need more details or changes in the quotation?
Sir, every region and every area, we have a specific, concern PIC. So once you are, registered for the first time, our automatically our concerned PIC will be approach you over the call or email. You can save the number or save the email ID. You can contact them.
Do we have any other questions? Kindly drop your questions if you have any in the chat box, or you can raise your hands. Nobody has questions related to our web ordering system. Is it that easy to use? I'm surprised, but I'm also very glad to know this thing. Any questions? Again, I would like to ask. Yes, it is a good system. Thank you so much, Mr. Sandeep. Okay, we have you should have a feature to find parts by photos because sometimes not able to find the correct part category. Okay, that's more like a feedback. Yeah.
Sir, in this case, we have a 6 million product actually with us. So it is a little difficult to recognize every time.
Okay, sir, we will take it as a feedback and we will work on this.
Any other questions? Okay, so I'm assuming everybody is aware about our web ordering system and its advanced features by now. Okay, we have one question. HSN code not showing at the time of quotation. Okay.
So
The HSN code will be reflect, at the time of sending you the quotation along with the performer invoice or the complete invoice. While sending the complete invoice, you can see that HSN code.
So now we'll wrap up this webinar. It was a very insightful webinar and we'll get back to you with all your answers. You can drop your questions and we'll get back with the answers. So as I was saying, okay, we have one last question. So it says system is very good for ordering system. When it comes to replacement for wrong parts supplied by MISUMI, it will take a lot of time to get. Okay, we understand your concern, sir, and we'll get back to you shortly with the answer. We will just mail you.
I would like to answer on this.
First of all, thank you so much.
And for the feedback. While replacing any of the part, so you need to drop an email separately, sir, because through online you cannot raise a wrong supply information. Separately, you can drop an email to cs@misumi.co.in. You can attach that the wrong replacement or whatever the item you have not received correctly. You can attach that product along with the invoice. You can send it to cs@misumi.co.in. So they will check with the our logistic team and they will reply accordingly.
Thank you so much, Veera-san. And I would like to thank Shubhra-san also for all the insights about our web ordering system. And thank you everybody who joined this webinar. And it was a very interactive webinar. And I would request everybody to stay tuned with us and keep following us. We'll see you at the next webinar. Thank you.